Agashaya.
Hey, hey, hey. Jerry, please let me put volume. You don't want to go outside. Grace, I will give you slap now if you don't come up for there. You are welcome. Let's see. Welcome. Today, we will discuss about some of our mother-in-law. Sir Juliet, you are welcome. You are welcome, Charity, Cynthia. You are all welcome. Inside this corona, after this corona don't finish, today na the first day when I want go party. So I want do small makeup. As I do, we will discuss about some mother-in-law. My makeup, no, they pass 10 minutes. Wow, I'm coming. I wanna see the matter for all this our some of mother-in-law. The one when they Europe now I want to talk. Won't be the ones when they Nigeria. All those ones they don't even get our time. Let me check this Facebook. Angela, you are welcome. Today we going to discuss about some mother-in-law. As today they play, as we dey Europe, we still understand. Ikwe o. We need Yasun, okay, it's like this. Sareme, you are welcome, Vivian. Osa. Okay. They bring out VAT formats. Sabala, later you help me change. Okay, as they play, let me start with the first one. will they discuss just of it, it's okay like that. Will they discuss about some of our mother-in-law? The one when he dey Europe, oh, no be the one when he dey Nigeria, because all those ones they don't too get our time. They don't get our time at all. No, we had to go in here, right? Now all those one, I be all those one problem. We beg any man. You see, they say we get never pay for them. They go want make their daughter-in-law call pay. The ones when it dey here, oh, if they say if they no, if they say when be say they go tell you say They go tell you say if you see suffer when I suffer, follow my pikin. You go dey wonder say no be mama born you. You go dey wonder whether no be mama born you. If na one cloth you buy for them, he agbon your talk. If you buy one cloth, give mother-in-law when he dey Europe, oh, only the ones when he dey Europe now they talk. Because here in Nigeria, me, I believe say they don't get our time. Over here, I was a TV 100 euro, 50 euro, and it is okay. The ones when he dey here, as their pikin they marry, for their mind, if you even dey friend their pikin, for their mind though, may you come the pay gbese when you do when oh God, I don't see many. I don't see many. That's why I bring this awareness come. I don't see many. And they bring that their son come Europe. That their son. Oh my God. All the girlfriend when their son gets, all of them are now marketing. All calculating go in ya. The ones no read they land this in no rigo name they give her pocket money. Now that one I be the preferito. Now that one be the best. Now that one be the best. I don't know why they be like that, Shao. And some daughter and some sister-in-law too. They go even they proud join and say, man, shop my money for this country. As I bring this, my brother come. My brother must see shop with my money. I was a weakness. I see her for my eye. When sister they talk say, he brother when he bring come. He girlfriend must drop. Oh, well, any my young mother, any my young ray. Any what young mother, husband free husband. Now why you being moving here and you what the moon walk back. Oh God, that's here. They make their head they go gaga. If they make their heads they go gaga. Here get back away. They not make you rest. What? Oh, what done you? Why I get kuso? What I say? Where I go? I can we are the out leisure. We are going can we are the out leisure. Here is a baboy ni lele wonisan. We are fasting a prayer. Where can any kede? Not be said there be wind show. Just be like the sofa. And they don't know say now the prayer when they pray. The prayer when they pray, now they read so. That's how if my mama, if some kind things when my mama go, they go say, oh Baba, who said he say, well, what done now? Oh, we ne soy, my pikin no go suffer the suffer. Even the same, all the mother-in-law, they say they pray the same prayer. At the end, when their son come married, they'll come forget say they don't fair pray that prayer. They'll come dead. Oh God, they will come once maybe say the suffer when be say they suffer for husband ass. They want make their children. Their son, wife, suffering. If you see your mother-in-law, the statements when they come out from their mouth, that be. The ones when they dey Europe, they go say, "Ija, you want be a good no we don't marry free." They say they marry man free. I don't know as I want to start. I know they concentrate. This is my phone. I need to change on. You understand? Today. After the corona, today na the first marriage when I want to go for this year. First one. I bet me I take small mirror. You understand? So now that one make their body they hot. Ije me ya wa be we here maro mi. You na me to we here kidnap me ya. You go be like say you want kidnap their pikin eh. The thing guys say they do the truth. Yeah, we man we marry so my ma o eh. My ma ki ma we ri magbe. O ki ma wa we ri magbe all the young women. Our out too. No be here o. Some of our character eh. No be here at all. We need to change too. But all those women, la wo go imi ameje me do imi wa. Nu wala wo go nu wa gie. E ko wo do we si manibu oto so that say ma bi abie ma bi aguwa. Ma bi anwa. Eni mama be wa bi amama erunu wa na the prayer we na pray. Na dey reach so but una no say erun yanu wa na or say na but una no wan acknowledge and say I pray this prayer at that time oh. You understand? I pray this prayer. I know you guys were really patient. Oh my God. I know that you guys were really patient. If you say patient, eh? Oh my God. All those our mama ilo. If we dey look some of our mama, the women they take suffer. You yourself, you go see your mama, you go dey pity for her. You will say, God. I know whoever be like my mama. I know whoever suffer like this for husband has. And in all the prayer when we pray, let the reach so without we knowing. All the prayer when we pray, Megu wasini of you wa. La we not feel born. We not go feel born them. We not go feel born them at all. We not go feel born them. But wala wo imi amaje na beg na we den wagima omo dafima wo go so that na do anagbe here no good come dey narrate your husband. The husband will come your husband will call you call so tall. If mama husband mama mother-in-law with wife they fight, that mad day is not bad. You know they ever they last. That man, you know they ever they last. If oh my God, if we met, if you to give your, if man to get, oh my gosh, what is this? If you to give ma problem, and last, you know they last. Now be waiting the key our father those days. I wear la lady ami ebedo. And then on your man if you could serve you could serve. What do you expect? You sort of before you know, heart attack go kill her. Heart attack go kill her. Heart attack go kill her. And if heart attack don't kill her, I no bear when no can do a one. Abiji mama we mami biore na. Egbe la fi very oni mama gwa lo imi amedo imi wa. Nu wala we go be ibeje na. We no dey that era again when una dey. Someone I understand say Ojanu wa mama oni Mario all the suffer no na suffer. We no want suffer. We no want suffer that kind suffer. Mama ni ma suffer egba suffer very o. This one so when I dey do so, I pray me I fit do one. We don't want to suffer all those type of suffer. That's why me personally, I can't beg all. Oh my God, I can't beg all of una. All the mother-in-law in abroad, wala wo go. Magbera rani, magire rani at all. Magire rani where if we never sweep the tune. Like Saturday, that time I will dey wash us. Again, I wash us with Saturday. Every day I yak here. Mother-in-law no go fit come my house. Go Saturday go reach you. This way. Do I hear what? You come the wa hear what by force, and no be say day your mind may you be clean ass that day. Because say she just come, you want respect her. Or when wa hear what now you get your ass but now she go come they tell you say. Some mother-in-law go even they drag bed. They'll come visit you. They'll come visit you for your house. They go they drag bed with you. Aja, Ikwewebo. Ima makebe nuwa. All those our mother when it come for 80s. Ijeme, what to agbesha? Make up for the year 89. What to agbe? What am I when I see? Oh, why so what to agbe? Oh, why be a mo be a short? Why be a mo walk again? Why give bono yaji winu bono wa? Why be a mo ko wa na mwela webo? Oh, why give bo no yaji winu bono wa? Oh, well, more cocoa with more. He may cook white. He cocoa with me. He cocky jene. Magbera wani ne o avijodo. Wala wo wari mabe na. Erununu wanani. Erunu wanani osene. That prayer wanna pray. It don't reach. So now we dey enjoy that on a prayer. Wala wo. Eruni wagiese. Wageruni nuwanani wagiese wala wogo. Wado here iteta magita. Wa on yin yaje wala wogo. Aleva no mejo doni ma. Wala wogo wa be your body yaji say. Wife that's why I worry done now. If they go and if my mother-in-law talk to me and I go deal with them. Oh God. Asen why gegbe. Oye the cost one that they invite John herself. It's too big. It's too big. It's too big. I for some on a coin, but I don't want to put my number yet. If you want me to invite you, if you have contribution, like wait till I don't know now you know a pass or wait till I dey talk so you know that cannot be so. Can said invite me and I will do that. Okay. This our mama, we need to tell them. No say no be their fault. All the suffer when they suffer for our papa hand, all their husband hands. I know say they want me we suffer and they forget say they don't fit pray the prayer. Say useni se o we me so ihia wa we me be ni ana be ni joda for me ya women na. But at the same time you see yourself doing it wala wo wa ki ewere gbe. Yeah, we mama warimba bamoko. My son ma, some of us if we dey go as my house, we don't already get plan what we want to do for there. We don't already get plan. So my wa say my wa dudu vaga mi ya. No ka my Maria yawa. Anyway ma, akwe we have hijodo. Ave uwe. Ma, and don't ever come between son and his mother. Other for where I need ma we. Not take and say my pikin say your pikin tell me say you no good. Don't do that. Don't do that. Boys children they are very cunning. Oh God, boys children. If they talk say now you cause problem with him with mama and you only nyani ma well. Now he tell you say mama no good o. You time ma well. Iji ma. Where this thing? Iji me no get ya. Where the letter now then why I make bezoni or coffee boy. You won't be scatter, you won't scatter me with my mother. You're tired, you go surprise. You go surprise. Boys children. Boys children. Now, Ejeva no. Ejeva no. All those children, all those boys children, it is well with them. So our mother-in-law in Europe, please. Waribaba mokokos erunu wana. Erunu wana. Kosena wala wowo. Imya maje. Keno mawa kenema warima. Abio modan. Na when it megbe. Now see what they happen for social media. Those people I know them very well. I know them very well. If I said I should judge, it would be very bad for me. But now our mama, now I come beg we. Nwala erunu wanani osene. You don't reach. Or what's ne? So ni maiko ariye eruni nu wanani we no se na wagi maiko we ame a peace with eruni. Meme go ni mahiamu nu wagi maumu we wa. We no get money when we want give una. We no get that money, that big money when we want give una because we want come marry. We go yo. Why be say this our mama for Europe? They want no they pay their pikin before we marry them. Why? So we even give you price. 10,000. Ela you know yare 10,000. Ela you know yare. All those mother Europe, especially the one when they my country for here. 10,000 euro ni. Même no sinya yawu. Oh we are. Okay, you okay be your mama ne. Oh go ne. He make money for her. Okay, kwe no be your mama ni. Ma waki we de gbe. Ota when wa ye gbe legis with him man our mind mi no ro. As soon as they wear legis with us, una say we be mates. We not be mates so why jima that your pikin when it say in young now or your man. Or your man. So wala wo. No wala wo no wagi marie. No wagi marie ni wagi mistake or that female with peace. With akugbe. And young ladies. Even me allow us I stay kian. Ko woman I stay kian ata woman be bedroom ni. You not stay with them. Not also you don't wash bedroom with them. Ya will say I say gile will you go get. Man, your daughter your man no yak bo 100 times. It's bad. Every now we no more be yak bo kan. Abi yak bo kan we now no more. Aye we now no more yak bo mo kan. Every now no more egbo ma we na. Even man ma be here forever. Yes. Imagan die rusi ya here. Iare no lako ya marie no lako. Why you we? Nothing to do. Yeah, what don't want? As my mother they talk that time. Oh we are. Yeah, na dear. Oh, we na mwe. Ona mo de mana to bo adu we no bo kan na ho mi. You gotta get one. Again, me my own dog. Me my own dog again. You see, all those ladies they want us to suffer like them. That is what they want. Yeah, only my what suffer when you suffer. Ose eruni anateme ose enugbeso ese. Yeah, beti ebo gbeso ese. Erunu we na fo ne we owo amasewe ojanuwe oweriwe. At the end you can't change. What do you be? Hypocrite. At the end you can't change. You can't change oh. Why you here? How about no ya me my yafa we what done imagine now? You know say something they wrong. No why ya go along and deliver wa. Why do ya you make be? I know me e go mon we ka be any if get bad character o. If something happen, oh well. One man no go kan. Where before when he never married pikin. The pikin no can even dey call us. E boy kwe ti o wa se ma we. E boy kwe we iji na hina. Aje ya aja ye ko ni egbe. E na me wo ko ni osije. Osije yan gbe. Aje ya yin yan gbe. Tis well. I don't know. When we are managed, if they never go about markets, go and narrate themselves. Eh, my people, that one else, you go, yeah, you know, say, yeah, if you be beneath, over do him, yeah, what kind of soup, where, I don't know why you no go settle around. You know when they start the fight? You know when they start the fight? When Nana they want settle around for his house, that's it. That's it. I want that's it. That's it. Where? That they talk, son. Make children don't. No, me I not talk to the son because wife. If your husband discuss about your mother-in-law, don't look at like that. If your husband tell say my mama bad, my mama no good, my mama this, my mama that, bear me. Oma so teko we no be agie. As e dey hot na so that they talk am. Emi awa balo eborioni. You go feel they talk say mama na even wish, mama na dey worry and follow and talk am. You are in soup later. You can be enjoying it now, but later you are in soup. You are in soup. I'm talking to you. I know what I'm saying. Later you are in big shit. Am I here wagbon Oh wait, that why we swing. Me I don't dey my house for 14 years. Now me retire with me that swing. Am I here for wagbon? So peace na good pass. Leave their children for them. Leave their children. I don't feel do video like that. I think so. Leave their children. Oh, you na meti ya here no more. Man, ya ni rewe bo. Oh, what to agbe truth. Una oh too much Oh, what to agbe. Have you there we bo. They are too much. Oh, I no lie. They are too much. Igbese ne gen ya ma penny ya. Unwe ya wa I don't mama oh you just do we. No ya o maro vie. Ya ni rewe bo. No ya maro vie. Wa no mi no pa no e u me. Etu Olandis okpa kan e de me. Ye beti Olandis. Wa kwe duk monja ni awo o work you na ya do krika. O we ri yen ya gije boyfriend yen. At the end of my area, ojo money odo jayo wegbe. Ojo money odo jayo wegbe. We are negbu we mi agi una. Uma wo ya jere pass ogere. When we must see your egbe. Must see your egbe o. Please, if you want me to invite you, if you say it better than me, I will do. Just say invite me. Subito. Yeah, we winner na here. Winner because me go camera up bawana. Yeah, Dad. Winner discussion. Avijo donere we bo warima ba mo koko wala wowo. Imi manger ma wunyi mi maso. Ma, hije me gese so mama mi osalo boa. Ogi ma so to agbe. Ogi ma so to agbe ma mu egbe ari owo do ri we kiri emission ri mani ma ya over. We are ready. Ma mu egbe ari eva. I'm almost done though. I wish not be say I do live video. It's there. You see, I've already used the liquid one. I like using the leads. pencil than this one. Have you done it that way, Bo? I hate Luna. I don't want to fix eyelashes. I hate Luna. Oh, wala wo. Waribaba mokoko. Have you done it that way, Bo? Let me use this one. No. Grace, remove your hand from there. Warima bamo koko. Wala wo. Why say three of you wa? Mana we se nove. Irie ma we se nove jewa mana we ariwa. Wala wo. Abi just do so ni re we bo. It's begging no. My makeup you know the ads. They not come away. Huh? I don't even know the name of what they use. Grace, give me tissue in the bedroom.
Okay.
But only me by myself, I know say I did try. I know say I did try. I'm aware, ne? Everywhere, say. I try. I don't like using blush. I don't know why. I mean, why? I think that old people they use this thing. I don't like using it. If I use this blush, it's like I feel old. I feel say people when they use that. No vessel. I feel people that use blush. I feel say that because they don't old, so I don't normally use it. I use ordinary this thing powder. So that will lighten the place one pour. See, I don't like this my flat nose. Now this thing I don't know what I want to use. Makeup good, sha. Guys, now so I be just now when I come. Don't be so I be oh. Makeup is beautiful. If phone do ya mo say buy. Me I look mirror. Cause a phone they deceive person well. You just the glinter for phone. You see my husband just like go tell say obun gbe me ma. Obun gbe me ma. Hey, you go say obun gbe me ma. The so we are gbe phone. You are correct. You understand? He go call just like go tell me say it's too many for here. It's too many for here. It's too many for here. All you want go tire. You go tell yourself. But phone now you see now. We are 1 million with phone ya waye mose. Yeah, we 1 million with all of the oil be like otutu. They go be like say came by ya wo. It is well. Sometimes if not be say I like makeup, person like my husband, so God he hates makeup, and the wife can't be saying I like makeup. I start using makeup the day I did my church marriage, because I did marry. I went to I first of all do Okomu marriage that time. When Obama said, "You're my way me." You understand? When I can't do church, oh, they can't make up me. I can't love my makeup. So since then, me work best so ya oh. Hije me. Oh where? Why you come many for you? Why you not many for you? When I was snap picture, I dey look myself say I fine. But me himself go tell me say too many for you. When I ask my children, go say, Mama, I see. So I don't go to use this, I don't go this phone. Be like say they deceive me. Me I look my mirror. I don't need to use a phone. Me I no can gog myself. Oh. Please, if you want me to invite you, I'll do some write up so that I'll be reading it and I'll be answering you. Do some write up, please. I'll put my number next time, but I don't want to put this my number. It's my working number. I don't like disturb, especially my sleep. Like my husband, I know they sleep because of social media. I love sleeping. I can't go to work later. I'll come out. I know I can't sleep. I make me very honey. See my husband, mama there. Yeah. Mommy is good. Mommy is good. When in Itana, I just done the boy discussing mommy. You understand? Be good to your daughter-in-law, no matter what. Oxime meje Nigeria we do ni my mama dey sweep, my sister raise leg. But gega wo ko wi otun we mu very oni. Ego ahon yata mu say. Ego ahon yata mu say no. Please treat us like the way you treat your daughter. Treat us the way you treat your daughter. You go see am. We go respect you even though we no get money. Go one more first satisfy you first. Mom, you see as your wife, eh? It's just that for me now, eh? Now my husband's overall senior sister, but he first son with my husband, they are age mate, so I take him as my mother-in-law. If you see as I dey jealous pikin that is in with my husband, they be the same father. Gosh, you go even dey jealous then if you go there. Oh God, I want more segbe. Is there your boy reme? I mean, no here set you no here me more. Why? Because she's good. She's good. She's good. She's good, eh? Why you basing mama? I don't want to feel lashes so. No. I get, but I don't want to feel so. You know, I'm away party. I don't think the marriage is big. So now I want to tie my gele. Oh God, see fights. Ik been an mari gele na here been na. Oh God. Now I want to tie my tie. Now whoa. Maybe real live video he make on this. I want to tie my gele so. Why go? I don't fair user, so I know. This gele is small, so maybe I go use I use this one. It's small. Why me been anima we time na here been na baba na egbo ave wo wa here do amu my been na. You know see as I dey make up just now, you know see I no feel at all say this big imani na tie. I say this is palette. This is foundation. They don't have even say wait to be this one. You see, it's not a foundation. It is well with me. It is well with me. See, this one a foundation. Now foundation. Which one be this one? So far me want me makeup it work be. What's your name? Who don't find? Eh? No be by force. Let me shift this place up. Okay. So I'm ready. At your mask, get set, go. But nobody have ever tied my hair. I do it myself. One day when only one sniper don't tie my hair. I come say, may help me tie my hair. I can't call her for grant. Say, if I reach church, I bet me tie my hair. Because say, I no problem. I was a churchy. Where dog bali me twice on a worry. What learn? I mean, I know they like insults. I in your way, me, I be that woman where they call talking. I do every man. Oh my God, what you do? Where? That's why I be. If something don't let me do, I go use power to do one. Nobody they like this video. What it happen? It made you wasa. I just they talk. Nobody. He's a mama dear. My sister is on the building. My sweet cousin. In my baletona. First party after Isa Corona. A party I might invite me. Now let my husband the invite. Imagine party kedero a day. Or maybe no je me be. I might invite me. Ya gbe to bla wona asa. You gbe to bla ya gbo wo me ye gbe. I go suffer my business. You see, fundament now, you know, easy. You don't need to. For me, anyhow you tire. They don't invite me, truth. Now my husband they invite for this party when I did. Ni wa mo gberi na. That's why I come so a coat to me according to my size. I don't go too exaggerate. You know my wa me. Yeah. After Corona, no, I don't think I like this time. Grace, if you touch my makeup tips again, I will give you slap. Okay. You are a child. Live there. Foreign. You see, If you don't want insults, I bet learn how to tire by yourself. All women supposed to learn now. As far as say you know they go party. You know easy as I tell you so. Easy. Any style you like, tire. Almost say don't fight. Use your heart. Oh God, the first girl I tied by myself. I wish I know I forgot bring her. Where am you? So maybe no one. Maybe I know the confidence on myself. And they ask people, the attack, and the attack. They go say 5 for, so I go say 5 for back, you know, 5 for front. So I say, hey, you're for tire like this. You know, I'm moving a video before you know. I learn. Before you know, I learn. Wow, I be just done it away, bo. If it's good, monas. If it's good, just say you try. In my way. Oh, what you make baleto? Oh, at the vest, cha. Oh, you know, vest nation when you by yourself, cause say when person go come embarrass you for public, go and tell you, go and do it by yourself. Go and learn it, and you come out for grand though. He tell you say you go do it, no worry oh. When you come reach there now, you can't fuck up. You can't even because of go there early. Where we make very on it there. And I told them oh. Oh, you know, no so so now you're working at budget by force. So that is it. I've done it. I think it's beautiful. Let me see myself well. If it's beautiful. I think so. I think it's beautiful. I see they try. They try. Don't worry. I will learn. You see, I know easy. I don't even need to come the overdo one. It's a bit another style too. If you, it's a bit another style. Ekolo. You see, it's very easy. Only that I don't know how to explain. I'm not a good teacher. It's not good though. Even the makeup when I make up, I don't even know the name. It's not good. He just want to red dead now. You want you make me cry. You for no put red dead now. I'm learning. I just bring her on Facebook so that me you see her. Whether I try. It's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. You see, I only say the problem when I get. I know Sabi explain. I know Sabi explain. I we mother-in-law no wa mu me be na wa no. Oma say Oma say na ya no ma ya make agwa ya explain. Okay, everything I used today needs to narrate. What is it? Yeah. Everything I used today, I use this foundation. A USA another one and the right photo. Now the right put. Then they call her Tara. Then they call the one when I use, so they call her Tara. Which one I use again? I can't use this one. This one Black Cooper. This this thing when I put just now, I think this one like what's here? I don't even know. Okay, now lighter now. This one and the lighter. We see I use for that one. Why this one? Now my friend buy this makeup come for me, but now MAC products. This thing don't come. Now MAC products. Don't say I know they use makeup every day. So only on Sunday as my children talk, my children will say, Mama, if you can be beautiful the way you are beautiful on Sunday. Don't you they will say, Mama, if you can be beautiful the way you are beautiful on Sunday, you come and pick me from school like that. This one a MAC. Beg a different type. Hish, I need help. I never need a loba. I can't use Girl, you see you have temper with my things. This one are the lipstick when I use 2. This one are red. I can't use purple joiner. I can't use purple joiner. This one are the purple when I use. But I say I'm open market. I say I'm open market now for buy this lipstick. I think so. Not remember. Or my friend I buy and can't give me for. I think no. My friend I buy this thing can't give me from Jamie. Yeah. You see, so I first use this one. Blend down. Now the LED I can't use this one. Since I know they like blanche. I know they like blanche. I feel old. When I use blanche. I feel old. It's true. I feel old. Anytime I use blanche, I know they like. I believe say now all those our mama when they reach 50. You can use it, oh. It's not that you can't use it, but I feel that it's only when no EJ man. Oh God. Oh. Hi. You see me see wahala. Hi. Why I wear this t-shirt? Oh my God. And I be all like this style. You know bad. I will tire again later. I'll tire again. Oh, thank you, Rose. I overtry, B. Thank you. So this one, I buy it for this mascara. I don't even know the name. They write. What's that? Extra. Now I see for here when they write, but I bought it €16. 16. I take buy this thing, but it's almost 8 months now. I'll be using it. 8 months. Yeah, here. You make any Joe. See what I forget to use. CJ me, and I office no. I forget to put this one. They like and well. It's over. No need. No need. I like my face like this. Face. If you see her, I know that I be using like that. I don't know where my children put. It's one of my friends that told me that this thing is good. I should learn how to use it. I normally use LED. See, and now they go bring the sharpening account. So I normally use this one. It's very easy. And if you are learning to draw your LED, if you are learning how to draw your LED, if you are learning how to